Hello everyone, it's Sam from the Body Centre here. Welcome to our latest YouTube video. This week we have a very special project on site and I cannot wait to show you what we are going to be doing. But before we get into this video, please can you guys smash that subscribe button. We really appreciate obviously all the support that we get from you guys, and obviously growing our channel is very important to bring us into different pools of people to keep producing these crazy projects for you guys. So yeah, please hit that subscribe button. So this week we have a Lamborghini Urus on site. No, not this one behind me. That's in for something completely else. The one we are working on is a gloss black one, and we are going to be taking every single part off the vehicle. It is the first time that we have completely stripped down a Lamborghini Urus. So hopefully we'll learn some things along the way. I'm very excited. Our customer is absolutely buzzing. So let's stop talking. Let's get into the workshop. guys, we've now come to the end of the video. If you've made it this far, we really appreciate you getting to the end. My main question is, what do you think of the red chrome? Now, we all know, I think we can all agree, that the Lamborghini Urus is an absolutely incredible car. It looked amazing before we even started. But me personally, I like vibrant colours, and this is the definition of a vibrant colour. It's all gone to plan. It's been our first Lamborghini Urus full stripped down. We've worked on many, but never to this extent. So it was great fun. We learnt a lot along the way, which is going to give us a lot of knowledge on hopefully a load more wraps in the near future. So yeah, let us know in the comment, guys, if you're a fan of this red chrome Lamborghini Urus. And another question I guess I could ask as well, which you could let us know in the comments: RSQ8 or Lamborghini Urus? Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.